some big dreams, get out the way. We about to do some big things and flip the game. This is how we live in Harlem. Every day in the 808 247, rocking the stage. From the jungle to the streets, we making moves and invade. Bringing hip-hop back from the tomb and the grave. Resurrecting what was once music back in the day. In the time of Rocky, Biggie, Dre, and Master J. I'm not knocking, I'm just saying I don't like what I see. Seems like anybody now can claim that he's an MC. But we gon' change that, best believe that this is the new age. The new dawn of music representing the true grace. Those who pave the way for us to do what we do in this industry today, I dedicate this to you. You will never be forgotten through me. You will breathe once again, and together we go right to the end. From the jungle,
streets with banging beats like that. Hit the ground, make it loud with the L format. Make it live on the mic, we ain't holding back. Someone's a regulation, say no stopping that. From the jungle to the streets with banging beats like that. Hit the ground, make it loud with the L format. Make it live on the mic, we ain't holding back. Someone's a regulation, say no stopping that.
Let's go, make up your mind and let me define the only reason why I'm here is to defend what is mine. So I'ma shine, homie, and be the first to cross over. Me and my soldiers moving forward towards enemy borders. We taking over a whole new breed of mercenaries on a mission to defeat and delete all adversaries who dare oppose. This new millennium lords from carnivores. We do what it takes to settle scores. Always have to get some big back. Retaliation of a rebel with a vicious attack. They come in drama with this new karma suited in armor. We better battle when we battle, cause we do this for honor. You don't want more, I want you before. You're not hardcore. I'm the only qualified ranger in this war. Stop wasting my time because you're crossing the line. Don't get fooled by the image of the sense of disguise. Don't get it twisted.
Streets with banging beats like that. Hit the ground, make